Something as simple as making the bed is a perfect example of a small change can have a big effect on your life. I took on this quote-unquote making a bed journey a few months back, and I'd be lying if I said it caught on quickly. For years, I was always the type to just get up and leave the bed undone because, hey, I'll be back in it tonight anyway, or I'd actually hang out in the bed all day, so what was the point? But for me, when the bed is made, it makes the room feel so much less cluttered and actually motivates me to maintain some type of tidiness throughout my room as the days go by. Mentally, it's helped immensely and actually keeps me out of my bed all day. As I've been getting older and the years have been passing by, one of the things that's been on my mind lately is getting into Kegel exercising. Okay, I'll give it a try. To my luck, Intimina graciously reached out and offered me a chance to try their Kegel Smart 2, which is a guided Kegel exercise device. I've had a chance in these last couple weeks to play with it and incorporate it into my daily routine, taking at least 5 minutes a day to do the workout. The way it works is after you insert the device, it'll vibrate 3 times to prompt the beginning of the session. When it vibrates, you have to clench the muscle and hold it until it stops vibrating, and then rest the muscles when it's not. The device will signal you when the session is over and actually keeps track of your last exercise.
First try, not so bad.
It's been very helpful in keeping me motivated and maintaining a Kegel exercise regime, but it's also helpful for those with pelvic floor disorders such as postpartum issues and/or stress incontinence. Admittedly, after getting acclimated to it, I did take the time during the workout to just play on my game or scroll on my phone, so it definitely doesn't feel like too much of a hassle while I'm doing it. If you're interested in checking out the product, definitely shop at the link in the bio below, and thank you so much again to Intimina for collaborating with me. Continuing that physical health kick, if you've been following me on my Instagram, you probably know that, like a lot of folks, I have a on and off relationship with the gym. But in these last few weeks, I finally picked myself up to take this free time to get back into a routine. In this last year alone, I definitely gained a bit of weight where I felt the physical effects of it. And as I'm approaching my 30s, I definitely realize this is the prime time to maintain that healthy lifestyle I've been trying to go for. I do want to be in the best shape possible to live my life a bit more comfortably in the future. It has become a lot more fulfilling when I approached it for the right reasons. Not only am I trying to maintain some type of physical health, but my mental health is very important to me. I was fortunate enough to be able to do some therapy in the last year, but since I'm currently not working, I did have to put that on the back burner, unfortunately. But to assist with my general overthinking and spiraling, I did pick up journaling a while back. Admittedly, I'm trying to be a bit more consistent with this, and I'm trying to make sure I'm journaling every few days or at least once a week. Personally, for me, I keep this very private between myself, and I actually don't even let Jason read my journals. It's one of my favorite pastimes for sure, and helps me think about things at a slower pace, which generally helps avoiding the spiraling. Lastly, another life habit I'm trying to incorporate is working out the brain. I can't be the only one who's getting older and worried about the effects of age on my cognizance. I am only in my late 20s, but I feel like it doesn't hurt to get a late start, especially since I have been out of school for years and, been using social media and TV more. I try to set a little bit of time aside every day to do a quick brain workout. I like to use Luminosity as it comes with free workouts every day, but I do hope to actually be able to subscribe and budget for it to do the actual additional workouts that are suggested throughout the week. If you were looking to make that small change in your daily routine, I hope that this video was helpful for you. I know that sometimes these are things that we think about all the time, but it's always nice to just see someone else doing it for a little inspiration or get some ideas. So hopefully it was helpful for you. And again, I do want to shout out Intimina for collaborating with me on this video. I really do appreciate them trusting me and letting me try out the Kegel Smart 2. I have been thinking about Kegel exercising for a while, so this came at a really good time. As a reminder, I will put a link in the bio for you to shop the Kegel Smart 2. Just to be transparent, for a limited time, it is a commission-based affiliate link. So if you end up grabbing one, I really appreciate your support, and hopefully you'll enjoy it as I have been enjoying mine so far. I do want to add that Intimina also carries other products such as menstrual cups and things like that, so definitely check out the brand if you're interested. I also linked an article that Intimina shared about the benefits of Kegel exercising, so definitely check that out if you were curious. And finally, if you did like the video, I would appreciate it if you give it a like. And if you'd like to see more content from me, please subscribe. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye.